Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode. If you like what you see, please go and check out my channel. Anyway, let's get right into my unboxing and quick review of the Xiberia X8 headphones. The packaging is fairly minimal with nothing special. The headphones come in a pretty good quality zipped headphone box in which you will find the headphones themselves, a short micro USB cable. It's not USB-C, but at the price you can't really expect it either. They also provide some large ear tips. That's it, but at least you get a manual. And that is your unboxing. On to the important stuff. So if someone asked me to describe budget Bluetooth headphones, I'd say you could expect okay battery life, okay build quality, and okay sound quality. These are exactly that, but I would say the sound quality is a bit above average. My only major complaint is that when the battery gets down to 10%, the super annoying voice says low battery every 10 seconds. But all around is pretty good, and a good value for money and worth a look. But that's it for me for now. Goodbye and have a good day.